There was a stat that came out that of the 489,000 companies running SAP software, 63% of them still haven't even made a decision to go to S4 Rise. 2027 is not going to go away. Another stat that came out of that same brief that I read was that consulting staffs around the globe have started upping their consultative rates 20 to 40% just to help you do these projects. I've continuously said to people, look, if you don't want to do it, fine. You want to do an ECC with a sidecar and so on, that's great. But understand this, you are in the minority. You're going to start becoming the minority. If you don't get this done, you will not get it done by 2027, and you're going to pay rates that are just out of this world with some of these companies. One of the things I've done is I've literally locked in customers. I've said, hey, you don't have to do it today. You don't even have to do it tomorrow, but you're going to have to get it done. And I'm going to lock you in at this rate, which is my current rate structure, because in the end of 2026, my consultative rates for my team are going to go up as well.